Hi, I'm Justin, and I am with AI Dad's community. If you saw my video before about me creating a quick avatar for my son, he engaged with it for about 20 minutes. It was a Lego Journey storyteller. He spent a ton of time describing the story, the characters, what bad guy, what tactics they were going to use, and then actually went and played out the whole story with it. So I just wanted to bring that to you guys and give you a walk through how to do it. Here's a quick tutorial. We're going to just use character.ai. If you have any experience with that, probably don't. So we're going to character.ai. We are going to go over here to create a new character, and we are going to go to ChatGPT and create a quick character outline with that. So I did go in here before. So I asked it to create a 500 character description or a character for my son, who's going to be an avatar. I wanted a Lego world storyteller so he can guide him through, bring out a story and a narrative to my son. Very creative is the goal for it. So it gave me Brickmaster Leo and a description. So we're going to go plug that back into the character that we're creating here at character.ai. He had so much fun with this. I was completely shocked because he has such a good imagination already. So for him to, I felt like enhance his experience for that 20 minutes that he was playing was pretty incredible. My daughter doesn't quite have that level of imagination, so I'm pretty excited to see how she interacts with some characters. So I went and I asked ChatGPT to create me the greeting as well as his tagline. Now that we got that in there, the more option button, we're going to play around with some more videos tailored to this because it does open up some pretty incredible use cases. I think we're going to go into full backstories of maybe characters our kids love, video game characters and things like that. But I'm also playing around with it being expert in aviation or rockets or a second grade math tutor that does all of the questions in super engaging storytelling kind of thing. So we're going to definitely play around with this and have some more videos coming out. As of right now, I did use it to just create a slightly larger backstory for Brickmaster Leo. So I just asked it to create a bit of a backstory and some character traits for him. I just said he's going to be a storytelling guide, create and engage in imagination, and help paint and walk our kids through an amazing story with battles and learning and adventures, highly engaging, constantly asking for the next thing from the kids to continue the journey as much as possible with a nice flow of 5 to 10 minute experience for the kids. So I just threw that, talked that into ChatGPT and gave me a little bit more of his backstory. So we're going to copy and paste that. Again, this is very small use case of this definition area here, which is at 32,000 characters. We just took up 2,000. So 15 times that is in a much more in depth. We were going to create some characters for that. So I have done this a few times as well. So inside of this, I went and asked for a description to create an image of Mr. Brickmaster Leo right in ChatGPT, just 4.0. Nothing crazy. This is the free version. So we just saved that image and we come back here and we're going to upload that image here. Oh, we could actually probably have generated it right within here, but we were already on ChatGPT. So we let that generate the image. So there's our guy. Now we need to add the voice after. We're going to create our character, which is Brickmaster Leo. Then we are going to edit him once he's created. Oh, we can do it right from there, actually. We can add a voice to him, our voices. When you go to create your own voice, you're going to hit create. You're going to agree. You're going to upload some sound, a 10 to 15 second soundbite of anything that you have spoken or an MP3 of any other voice that you want. And then you're going to name it, and that's going to give you the sound for Leo himself. Right now, we're going to go back to Leo. And we're going to go ahead and use the sound that we created for Leo. And then this is the interesting part. If you're on desktop or did it mobile, you actually would just click this button right here, and that would start a phone conversation with him, which is what we're looking for. Now, I am going to send this over to a cell phone of mine and work on the same way that I showed you on the video. So I am going to download this. This is Brickmaster Leo. So I'm simply going to Send this over to my cell phone here, but you're just going to take that link and send it over. Actually, I'm going to email this link to myself. Some extra phones lying around from a crypto project, right? So I'm going to email this over. I will pull up Brickmaster on whatever device that you're on. I just jumped to an ads campaign. So I downloaded Character AI on my phone, and then I can just immediately pull up Brickmaster Leo right here. You can see that. And then we're going to get on a phone call with him. Hey Leo, how you doing today? What adventure are we going on?
Hey there, I'm doing great, thanks for asking. Today, our adventure takes us to a mysterious island filled with hidden treasures and exciting challenges. So, are you ready to team up and embark on this thrilling journey?
Absolutely. Tell me, what bad guy are we going after today? And do we have a team with us, or is it just the two of us?
You're in for a special team up, my friend. Today, we're facing a cunning and elusive villain known as the Shadow Master. He's got a fortress built on an ancient volcano, and we need a group of brave adventurers to storm it and reclaim the stolen treasures. We won't be alone on this quest. We'll recruit a team of brave minifigures with diverse skills to take on the Shadow Master and his minions.
Sounds good, Leo. I'll get back to you when I have some time. Thank you.
Great. Take your time, and I'll be ready when you are. I can't wait to embark on this epic adventure with you and our new team of heroes.
All right, so that's how we created that real quick for our kids. We can customize that any direction that we want. So that is a step-by-step video, and I hope to see you guys soon with our next creative thing that we're going to be able to co-build with our kids. Have a good one. Follow and subscribe.
Fantastic. Crafted a fun and engaging introduction for our character, Brickmaster Leo. Sets the stage for epic adventures and helps kids visualize.
I hope that was informative. Leave some comments below. Let me know what else you guys would like to co-build and learn. Anything in the space, anything with our kids. Join our group, AI Dads Community. The first 50 spaces are free. After that, it's going to turn into a paid community. Questions you have, just reach out in the comments. Hit me up on any of the socials, and I'm excited to build out a community in the journey together.